guys, so today I'm going to be installing some Max Air vent covers. They look like this. So that's what I'm going to be installing over these covers. That lets you open up the vents and run the fans when it's raining or windy or those type of situations. So I'm a little hot and sweaty. It's about 80 something degrees, 82 degrees here in North Texas, and I've already put one in, so I've had my trial run, so I can post a video now on how to do it. So I'm gonna walk you through on how to do these. They're pretty easy. So here we go. So the first thing you want to do is line up these little metal brackets they come with. So here we go, let's do that. So the first thing you want to do is put the vent cover over the vent and make sure it fits right. You can see that here. I just kind of lay it on top and kind of get it lined up with the holes on the side, and then you're going to take these little metal brackets they come with. If I can grab one, these little metal brackets, and you're going to line those up with your flange on your vent cover, and I'll show you that now. Alright, so you can see I've got my little bracket laid inside here. You're just going to lay it right up against that flange, kind of line your vent up inside there. And the instructions say to get this flange, I'm calling it a flange, I guess it's a bracket. Get this bracket on that flange closest to the corner as you can, on the outside corner there. And then, here we go, the outside corner here. So get those as far back as you can. You got to line them up with the holes going down. So make sure you do that too before you drill some holes. So the next thing you're going to do is, once you got that marked or lined up how you want it, you're going to drill some holes right here. Alright, so after you got your holes drilled in your flange right here and down there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take the screw, the little screw in the pack there, and you're going to put it through there. But don't forget to put your bolt in down here before you bolt this up, because you're going to need that in there beforehand. So what you need to do is kind of like I don't know, I think they call these carriage bolts, maybe. I may be wrong, but anyways, they go up in this slot, and it just kind of destroyed everything I just did. That's all right. So I'm going to get this bolt in here one of these days. There we go. And then you're going to want to bolt this together. And see, that kind of has to be in there already before you bolt it up. You don't want to forget that. So let me do that for all four of them, and we'll be back. Alright, so they're going to look like that when you get done, hopefully. You got the little screw up here into the flange. And here I'll show you the back side of what that looks like inside the flange there. Kind of see it right here. You got a flat washer, and you got a little lock washer that you put on there, and then the nut goes on there. Then I just kind of hold it with my fingers real tight, and then I screw in the other side with my drill bit, or my drill, and hold it really tight, and it'll tighten itself up a little bit, and they're on there nice and snug. And then the next step is to put the cover. We're going to put the cover on top, and the holes on the flange of the cover go right over these bolts. And you're going to put a washer and a nut right there. So I'm going to do that next. The little washers and the bolts, or the nuts, tighten up on all four sides. You can see these kind of just ride right there. I don't think you seal all this or anything, because there's a pretty big gap right here. I'll look in that a little bit more, and you see it moves, just it flexes a little bit, but it's bolted on good. And I think actually this flange and everything's gonna end up protecting your sealer and everything under there, so it actually should be a good thing there. And that's what it looks like bolted in. And I've got one up there, like I said, I already put it in, and this is the second one right here that I did today. So pretty easy. I guess the most challenging thing is really just getting up on your roof if you don't like to get on the roof. So but just, I use my drill, an 11mm wrench, a few drill bits, and a little pair of vice grips for really not much, but that's them. So again, there's the vents I installed today. I hope you liked the video. Just another Monday mod for you, as we're calling them, and I hope you liked the video. I'm just a guy with a few tools. I'm not a mechanic or anything like that, but I like to do little projects here and there if I can handle them, and carry around just, you know, normal tools with me on the road, and just do a few modifications. So like the video, comment if you see something I did wrong, if you think I should seal that all the way around or something like that. Maybe people do that, I'm not sure. But give me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you like the mods we're doing, and some of the other videos we got. So thanks, y'all. Have a good one. Bye.